Hello everybody, a very warm welcome back to my channel Wanderlust Ita. If you're new to my channel, my name is Syria and I make videos on cabin crew, lifestyles and travel. Usually I make my videos in Manipuri, however I got a lot of requests to make my video in English, and also I will be putting subtitles in Manipuri so that you will be able to improve your communication this way as well. And coming back to the topic, my videos for today will be based on photo requirements for cabin crew. So if you're one of those who are confused about how to make your photos for your job applications as cabin crew, this video is for you. Take a look. Hi, okay, coming back to the main topic. First I would like to start with what are the things you should avoid when you are trying to make your photos for your cabin crew applications. Please have a look on my slides. So the first and foremost thing to avoid is to have a background like this, a wall or a door. And sometimes I've noticed like a multicolor background. Please avoid doing that. And another thing is like you can see the way the photo has been taken here. It has been taken from top. That way the person looks smaller, shorter, and the head is big. It doesn't look nice at all. So please try to avoid doing all this. Okay, so it is the big no-no. In the second picture, here the person has taken the picture perfectly. Even her attire is perfect. Even the background is perfect, in fact. The only mistake she has done here is she has covered both the ears with her hair. If you read in airline application instructions, they clearly instruct that your ears should be seen. So please read the instructions carefully before you take photographs. It applies for both passport size and full-length photographs. So ensure, if you have a short hair like the lady here, ensure your hair is tucked behind your ear. The third one, to avoid is, I would like to say about the postures, how you would stand. Please avoid standing sideways or put your hands in your pockets for your full-length photographs. If your pictures have been accepted this way, then you are actually very lucky. But in case if you're applying for international airlines, they actually do not accept this way. They actually, ask you to change later. So please avoid doing this. And last but not the least, it is very common among you. Please avoid sending your selfies even for your passport pictures. Actually, we know how you take your selfies from your phone and then you act like you have taken a passport photo. Please avoid doing that. We easily know, and it should be high resolution. So just go to a photo studio and make a proper photographs. Okay, those are the basic mistakes I often notice whenever I get approached by an aspirants or candidates whenever they try to submit their resumes. So please try to avoid that. And one more thing I wanted to advise is that whenever you're trying to make your resume, please ensure you put your photo, your passport size photo as well in your resume, because some airlines website, they ask only for your resume, not with your photos. So it's better if you put your picture in your resume so that they have a fair idea about how you look. So that's another advice. And now coming back to the main topic, the photo requirements. We'll start with how the background should be. The background should be totally in one color. Okay, and I would suggest blue color, because having a background blue color, actually for Qatar Airways, they specifically ask for blue background. So with background, I think you can apply for all the airlines as well. So just for the why you want to go and make photo shoot again and again, so for once for all, just make a blue color background. That's the safest way. And for the length, I would suggest 10 cm and 15 cm. That's the safest of all. Okay, I think that's fine. And another one is coming back to the face. If you wear glasses, please do not wear glasses. Instead, if you are wearing lenses, please make sure you wear lens which is closest to your eye color. Now coming back to the main point, the first and foremost thing, you when you prepare for your photo, think that you are going for the actual interview. Groom like the way you are going for the interview. Okay, for both guys and girls as well. And for guys, I wanted to say that please avoid putting makeup. Instead of putting makeup, make sure you moisturize your skin. All right, and instead of putting lipsticks, because I've seen guys putting lipsticks, like dang, suddenly their lips are all pink, and it's kind of funny as well. So instead of putting lipstick, you can put a chap or a lip balm, just to make it look healthy and shining. Okay, so put a chap. And coming back to your hair, gentlemen, so make sure you neatly cut your hair. Okay, I have made videos about grooming, how to groom for your interview. So if you want the link, I will put the link below in my description box. Okay, please make sure you check that. And also for the girls as well, please wear like the way you are going for the interview. And I would advise us that it is totally okay to wear a business attire. However, it is not compulsory. You can wear your half sleeves shirt like the way I'm showing you the picture here. The thing is, most of the airline, the uniform for ladies, they wear half sleeves. So according to that, they prefer for you to wear a half sleeve and send your picture. So I would advise to go for that. But in anyways, if you really wish to wear a business full attire, it is totally okay. I think that's about it. I have covered everything. If I've missed out on any points, please do not be afraid to leave a comment below, or just give me a feedback. I have no problem in that. I hope my video was useful. Please let me know, and see you next time. You let me know what are the things you want to know about cabin crew. And by the way, we have this page on Instagram called Cabin Crew Manipuri, where we updates about cabin crew related stuff and recruitment. So you can follow there and check about what is happening in the cabin crew world. Okay, so by the way, you take care, and very happy Christmas in advance. And maybe I think before New Year I'll put another video. Okay, so take care, bye bye.